Hi there, English 1 students at Roy City High School. We're continuing our video series on types of sentences. We'll be adding to our foldable and our interactive notebooks, so be sure you have that at your desk and you're ready to go. You should be back on the page we were yesterday that we labeled types of sentences. Your foldable should already be glued there, so you should be ready to take notes. When you finish today's lesson, your foldable will look something like this. You'll have your definition of a compound sentence here. You will have your coordinating conjunctions listed on the inside flap and an example sentence. So follow along in this video so you can add your notes to your foldable. A compound sentence consists of two independent clauses, so two complete thoughts. It doesn't have any other clauses. You will have a comma and then a fanboy, and we'll talk about fanboys in a minute. Hopefully you remember these from middle school. Or if you don't have a fanboy, then you're going to need a semicolon. Now, you may think of semicolon as what you use for winky eyes when you make an emoji, but the correct name is called semicolon. All sentences, of course, have beginning capitalization and ending punctuation. Remember, a compound sentence is going to have two complete thoughts. Now here's a list of your fanboys. These are called coordinating conjunctions. They're used after a comma to combine two complete sentences. If the sentence does not have the coordinating conjunction or one of the fanboys, then it is a run-on. Remember, you could also have that semicolon, but otherwise it's a run-on. Don't forget the comma before the fanboys or the coordinating conjunction. Your fanboys are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Be sure these are written on the inside flap of your foldable, right under where you wrote down the notes on a compound sentence. Here's an example of a compound sentence. Mrs. Pogue likes to sleep late on Saturdays, but sometimes she forgets to turn off the alarm. So here's our comma, and here's our fanboy, our coordinating conjunction. Mrs. Pogue is your subject. Likes to sleep late is your predicate. She is your second subject. Forgets is your second verb. So we have two complete thoughts combined by a coordinating conjunction or a fanboy. So just to sum things up, if you have two complete thoughts that go together, you want to combine them with a coordinating conjunction after a comma or a semicolon. If you'd like to know more about semicolons, you can click here to find out more about how to use those in your writing. Thank you so much. Please be sure that your foldable is complete so you're prepared tomorrow to learn about complex sentences.